everyone, my name is Gaurav Mishra and in this video I am going to take the topic trigonometry, and in trigonometry here I am going to explain, as we know that one trigonometric ratio is there sin theta, and we know that sin theta has different values at different angles, as sin 0 degree is equals to 0, sin 30 degree is equals to 1 upon 2, sin 45 degree is equals to 1 upon root 2. So here I am going to show you that why sin 0 degree is equals to 0, why sin 30 degree is equals to 1 upon 2, why sin 45 degree is 1 upon root 2. So in this video I am going to cover this. So here first of all, before going for this, we should know that whenever we are talking about the trigonometric ratios, so trigonometric ratios we have, as we know, 6, sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. So trigonometric ratios we are always applying on the right angle triangle. So this is one right angle triangle and name of this right angle triangle is ABC, and here this right angle triangle ABC is right angle at B, so B angle is equals to 90 degree. Now here the most important thing is what, that whenever we are talking about the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle, so as this is the right angle, so side opposite to this right angle is this one, so this is always what, hypotenuse. So in this way, in a right angle triangle we are always considering hypotenuse, we are finding hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is the side opposite to 90 degree angle. Now thereafter next is what, if I am considering angle C as theta, okay, if I am considering this angle C as theta, then side opposite to this theta is this one, so this is always what, perpendicular or height. Okay, so side opposite to theta is always perpendicular or height, and the third one is what, base, which is containing theta as well as 90 degree angle both. Okay, this is important. Why? Because as we know that sine theta is a what, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So as we know sine theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, so in the right angle triangle we should be able to identify which side is hypotenuse, which one is perpendicular and which one is base. So in this way, side opposite to 90 degree angle is hypotenuse, side opposite to theta is perpendicular, and side which is containing both theta and 90 degree is what, here, base. Now I am moving to the topic, and topic is what, that here I have to prove that sine 0 degree is equals to 0. So this I have to prove. Now as we know that sine theta is what, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Okay, so sine theta is what, perpendicular of hypotenuse. So here when I am considering this right angle triangle ABC, so in this right angle triangle ABC, which is right angled at B, if this is the theta, okay, if this is the theta, and if I am considering theta as what, 0 degree, so if this theta will become equals to 0 degree, then what will happen, that this hypotenuse will coincide on the base. Okay, so what is happening, that when I am talking about 0 degree, so if this theta is equals to 0 degree, so this hypotenuse will lie on the base and our triangle will be what, like this. Okay, this is the base and the hypotenuse will also lie on the base only. Okay, because when we are considering this angle as 0 degree, so this hypotenuse will be what, it will on it, so and then only we will get 0 degree angle. So what will happen, that hypotenuse and base will be equal and this perpendicular will be what, 0. Okay, so when we are talking about theta equals to 0 degree, so if theta is equals to 0 degree, in that case what is happening, that perpendicular is now no more here, so perpendicular is what, equals to 0, and hypotenuse may be of any length. Okay, now after this, coming to this only, so here we have to find sine 0 degree value. Now sine 0 degree value is what, it is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Now here you can see that as theta is 0 degree, so perpendicular is now what, 0, and hypotenuse may be anything. Now 0 upon x is what, 0, so that's why sine 0 degree value is what, 0. Okay, so in this way we are saying that sine 0 degree is what, 0, because perpendicular is becoming 0 and perpendicular upon hypotenuse and 0 upon anything is what, 0 only. So this is a proof that why sine 0 degree is always what, 0. Now next I am moving for the sine 45 degree, that why sine 45 degree is 1 upon root 2. Okay, now here I am going to prove that why sine 45 degree value is 1 upon root 2. Okay, so this, again for this I am going to consider here one right angle triangle. So this is our right angle triangle, and this right angle triangle name is ABC, right angle at B. Now here theta we have to consider here what 45 degree. So here C angle value this time is what 45 degree. Now as we know that in a right angle triangle or in any triangle, actually in any triangle, sum of three angles equals to 180 degree. This is 90 degree, this is 45 degree. So 90 plus 45 is what 135 degree, and 135 when we are subtracting from 180, we are getting this also what 45 degree. Okay, so here this is I am considering theta as 45 degree, and this third angle is also becoming what 45 degree only, because 45 plus 45 90 plus 90 180. Now here we know that in a triangle whenever two angles are equal, then their opposite sides are also equal. So here as in this triangle, these two angles are equal. So side opposite to this angle is which one? This one. And side opposite to this angle is which one? This one. So these two sides are also what here? Equal. Now here when I am considering that this is of x centimeter, so this is also what x centimeter only. Okay, now after this here, as we know sin theta is what perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular here we have in terms of x, hypotenuse we have to find, and I will find here hypotenuse by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so as this is the hypotenuse, so square of the AC is equals to sum of square of AB and BC. Okay, AC value we have to find, so AC square only. AB square value, so AB we have considered here x, so x square. BC is also what? X square. So AC square equals to 2x square. So AC equals to, just to find value of AC, this power 2 I have to remove, and for this I will do square root of both sides. So AC equals to square root of 2x square. So AC is equals to square root of x square will be x, and root 2 will be root 2 only. So here in this way we have found value of hypotenuse AC in terms of x, and this is what x root 2 centimeter. Now after this here I have to find sin 45 degree value. So sin 45 degree value is what perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Here perpendicular is x, hypotenuse here is x upon root 2. So here x got cancelled, so we are getting 1 upon root 2. So from here we can conclude that sin 45 degree value is what 1 upon root 2. Okay, so this is the proof. So here we have seen in this video that sin 0 degree value is y0, and y sin 45 degree value is 1 upon root 2. So this much here I am covering in this video. So I am ending my demo video here. Thank you for watching this.